Hello and welcome to our latest video on the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023. Vlogging has become a popular way to share experiences and create content on social media platforms. Having the right camera can make all the difference in the quality of your vlogs. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right camera for your needs. That's why we've compiled this list of the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023. We've done the research and testing, so you don't have to. So, let's get started. Number 5. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a popular vlogging camera that offers excellent video quality and versatility. It has a 20.1 megapixel sensor, a 4.2x optical zoom lens, and can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS. It also has a flip-up touchscreen display, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a compact design that's easy to carry around. Number 4. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a great vlogging camera that's specifically designed for content creators. It has a 20.1 megapixel sensor, a 24 to 70 mm zoom lens, and can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS. It also has a flip-out touchscreen display, built-in ND filter, and a directional microphone that can be attached to the hot shoe mount. One standout feature is its product showcase mode, which can quickly focus on objects you're holding up to the camera. Number 3. Fujifilm X-T30. The Fujifilm X-T30 is a mirrorless camera that offers excellent image quality and advanced features for vloggers. It has a 26.1 megapixel sensor, a 15 to 45 mm zoom lens, and can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS. It also has a flip-out touchscreen display, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a sleek retro design that stands out from the crowd. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH5. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 is a professional-grade vlogging camera that's packed with advanced features. It has a 20.3 megapixel sensor, a 12 to 60 mm zoom lens, and can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. It also has a flip-out touchscreen display, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a rugged design that can withstand harsh conditions. One standout feature is its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which can produce smooth footage even when shooting handheld. Number 1. Canon EOS R5. Our top pick for the best vlogging camera of 2023 is the Canon EOS R5. It's a high-end mirrorless camera that's designed for professional content creators. It has a 45 megapixel sensor, a 24 to 105 mm zoom lens, and can shoot 8K video at 30 FPS or 4K video at 120 FPS. It also has a flip-out touchscreen display, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a weather-sealed design that can handle any environment. One standout feature is its dual-pixel autofocus, which can quickly and accurately track subjects in the frame. There you have it, our top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023. Each of these cameras offers excellent image and video quality, advanced features, and the ability to capture high-quality content for your vlogs. When choosing a camera, consider factors such as image quality, autofocus performance, audio quality, and connectivity options. Remember, having a high-quality camera is only one part of creating great content. It's important to also have good lighting, sound, and a compelling story to tell. So, don't forget to also invest in other equipment such as lighting kits, microphones, and tripods to enhance the overall quality of your vlogs. Thank you for watching our top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2023 video. We hope it has been helpful in your search for the perfect camera for your vlogs. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.